Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Crochet Society designer reveal. This time for the gorgeous box 25, which is just here. How pretty is that? I'll show you a little bit more of that a little bit later. But this is the designer reveal where I'm going to tell you all about who is designing for this box. As always, we have 3 amazing designers from around the community and I can't wait to tell you who they are. Before we get stuck in, if you are unfamiliar with Crochet Society, I will leave a link in the description box below so that you can go and check out the website. It is a monthly subscription box which gets delivered straight to your door each and every month, and it's full of amazing crochet goodies. So inside the box you are going to get some amazing luxury yarn, you'll get a bespoke crochet hook and a stitch marker which is unique to every box. You will also get some extra crochet goodies as well as a mini magazine with at least 3 designs in. As I say, from amazing designers around the community of projects that you can make with your yarn. And if you're not so confident with reading patterns, then you also get exclusive videos which can only be accessed by subscribers, which are made by myself. So I'll walk you through those patterns if you feel that you need that extra helping hand. So as I say, I will leave a link in the description box so that you can go and check out the website. It has all the pricing information on there. All of the prices that you see are including postage and packaging, so there's no hidden extra costs. And then you'll also see the different tabs for wherever you are in the world, because these boxes go out worldwide. So make sure that you go and check that out. Okay, let's get stuck straight in to these 3 designers. So the first designer is actually a returning designer. It's always so nice to welcome these designers back into the box. And that is Sachayo Ishii, who is Knits by Sachi on Instagram. Please make sure that you go and check her out. I will leave her Instagram here for you so you can have a quick peek, but please make sure that you do go across and leave some love on her photos and also leave some comments. Also in the comment section here, let me know, what did she make, or which box did she design for and what project was it? We're, like I say, into box 25 now, so there's been so many. Who's been around for that long and knows exactly what project she did? The next designer is Brenda KB Anderson from craftsplosion.com. I don't think she has an Instagram, but please go and check out her website. She has some really cute designs on there. I'm really excited to have her as part of the Crochet Society designer team for box 25. I'm really excited for you to see her project. And then last but not least, we have Jess Bennett from Rock Salt Plum on Instagram. Again, I'll leave her Instagram just here so that you can go and check it out. She has a gorgeous Instagram feed. I'm just looking at it here. She loves playing around with textures and different shapes and things. So please go and check her website or her Instagram out and let her know how excited you are to see her feature as a designer in this month's box. So there we go, they are the 3 designers for box 25. I can't believe we're on box 25 already. I know I say this each and every month, but how gorgeous is this box? So let me know, what kind of theme do you think this is going to be? We have some gorgeous leaf textures going on there, and the colour is just absolutely stunning. I don't think the camera does it justice. I'm looking in the viewfinder just here. I don't think it does it justice on the camera. It's just absolutely gorgeous. So make sure that you go and check that out. Subscriptions for this box are open and they will close on the 20th of June unless we hit capacity, which does sometimes happen. So make sure that you subscribe if you want to get your hands on that box. Okay, so there we go. They are the designers for box 25. I hope you're excited to see their designs as much as I am. When I saw them, they're absolutely gorgeous and the yarn is just gorgeous as well. I'm so excited for you to see it. Again, I'll leave all of the links in the description box below so that you can go and check that out. But thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Share it with a friend who you think needs to know about Crochet Society. And don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button to be notified of when my videos go live. You do now need to click the bell button and also click all notifications, which is something that completely bypassed me, but to make sure that you are getting that notification, make sure you click the bell button and then click all. But thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you again next time. Bye.